Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. We are discussing about how to accept Bhagavad Gita, episode 10. I am so fallen person. I am not qualified to even to see, even to touch, even to hear, even to learn. We discussed this in the previous episode. We are all outside of Bhagavad Gita because we require minimum offer, at least honesty. This is transcendental quality, honesty. We require minimum offer, at least honesty. Then we can enter into Bhagavad Gita. Otherwise we are all outside of Bhagavad Gita. How much we are honest to tell whatever truth of our heart to others. We can't admit to ourselves what to speak of telling to others. Even we are not qualified. Even understand Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead takes many lifetimes. It is not easy to understand Krishna among all so many things, facts and figures of the world. Understanding Krishna's unique position is very rare. You break your heart or you break your head, even other person does not understand. So even you break your head, even other person does not understand. It is the mercy of the Lord. To understand Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead, the original. Most of us has theoretically understand only. That's why we should understand what is our situation. What is Bhagavad Gita? What are dealings with? When we approach with that spirit, I am foolish, I am ignorant, I am so sinful, I am so fallen, I don't know any discrimination, I do so many mistakes, but somehow I have been given this privilege, mercy, to hear Bhagavad Gita, to understand Bhagavad Gita. Let me read, let me accept, let me change myself. With this mood we approach, we get true reception of Bhagavad Gita. Every man is indifferently in difficulties. Every man is in difficulties in so many ways. But what Arjuna did? He surrendered. If we surrender, then Bhagavad Gita is spoken to him. Or Bhagavad Gita is revealed to us. If we are not submissive, we don't see Bhagavad Gita actually. Licking the honey outside of the bottle. Honey is inside. We are licking outside the bottle. Problems are there. So many problems are there in our life. Only solution is to surrender to Krishna. Searching to our material problems, that's why we came. It is unavoidable. Star or moon in this world, everybody has to face. They are full of anxiety. Without of exception, those who smile or those who don't smile, all are in anxiety. So, opulently we see some pictures in the paper. We think how fortunate they are. Or movie actors are so many. Krishna has designed, and Krishna told us, Dukkalayam, finish. Our painter smiles do not hide our anxiety. If you go little deep into their lives, you know what they are. They always keep people distant from them. Many politicians, famous people, keep people distant. Many of them, they are living in so much fear. Security is required. Externally we protect, but internally, Adhyatmika, Adidevika, Adibhautika. Classes are there. Mind is sufficient to create mental problems. In Kali Yuga, mental problems are numerous in number. One is full of anxiety because of kama, krodha, lobha, mada, moha and macharya. Because of all these things, we are always harassed. Some problem or other of these things, always these problems are there. So we always hankering for happiness in the material world, but doesn't exist. We are having this anxiety. We are in a wrong place. We are not in a natural place. This material world is a wrong place. Another quality is sincerity. Why am I suffering? A sincere person questions. So one has to be sincere. Sincerity is shown by relevant enquiry. You meet a person by his questions. You can understand where his consciousness is, where his absorption is, what is bothering him, what is prominent in his consciousness. So, what questions we should ask? One should ask, are mentioned here academically, okay, but actually we should ask is a point. What are our questions? When the class will end, what is next program? How can we comfortably back home? When they will give prasadam? Reflect. Actually, what are my questions? Today is one good exercise or group discussion. What are my questions before coming to the class? What are your thoughts? Everybody inquiry something or other. But whether we are inquiring right things or not, everybody has questions. Birds are questions. In the morning, where is food? Where is food? They are flying. Reporters are asking questions. What is news? What is news? What is news? Today's news. Everybody, as soon as get up, switch on the TV, news channel. I only know the name of channel. I never switched on or watched it. So everybody has questions. Businessman has questions. What is profit? Where is profit? Where is profit? My profit. Salesman. Buy to get one. Buy to get one free. buy two get one. Everybody questioning, everybody is inquiring. I will continue this episode in next class. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरे हरे बोल, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.